Hey, what's up everyone? All good? Very nice. So today I'm gonna unbox this package. It's an automatic toy gun and you can see it's a Pubg gun. You can see the Pubg photos all over the box here, and all of them are written in Chinese, so I cannot read that. You can see all the photos are here, and on this side you can see the instructions to install the bullets into this scope type magazine, and this jar here and all that blah blah blah. So in the back there is nothing, and on this side how to install the battery, all that stuff. Oh, so this is the handle, and well, this is a chicken. Well, the model is like the Glock 18, and the price is quite a bit nice. It's only $899. That's it. That's the 899 rupees, which was a nice deal. So the box is quite a bit hard to protect this, and this is a very not so hard, you can see that. Alright, so what you get in the box: an eye gear to protect the eyes, and here is a drum, just like you see in the Pubg games, the oil container, and these are the gel bullets. You need to put these bullets into water for a few hours and they will come back in size of like 7M, I think, and this was given for that purpose. Open it, put the gels into this drum and put water in it, and that's it. And here we get the battery pack. This is the battery. It's a 500 mAh battery, 6-volt. So that's it. This is like the magazine and extended magazine. And also this is the charger. It's DC 5-volt 2A and output 6-volt to 50 milliampere. So there's a kit inside, DC to DC converter, so you can connect this battery here, and on this side you can connect this to your PC, your laptop, or even your mobile charger. So that's it. Now let's take out the gun. This is the gun itself, and it looks very nice in hand. You can see like the real feelings. And at the bottom you need to open this, and there you can see the connection for the battery. And connect like this, and then put it in just like this. It will lock here. Let's see, there it is. So you'll feel like it's an extended magazine here, and this is the switch here. The upside, keep it upside, it's off, and put it down. Now it's on. So you hear the noise. It's cool. It's fully automatic, and the bullets will go here. Alright, so I have some plastic BB bullets here, and let's see if this thing works with this. I don't know if it's gonna work or no. Yeah, it is working. There is not much pressure because they are small in size. Yeah, so this thing is made for the gel blaster 7 mm in size. So that's it. Now I have some gel bullets ready here. It's from the other rifle, and let's try this one. Wow. These are so powerful, you know, just because of the bigger inside, so it covers the barrel inside, the perfect size for that. So the air push it so hard. That's why it's very hard. Wow. So that's it. Now let's do some shooting.